Game development is the process of designing and building interactive experiences that respond to player actions. At its core, game development is not about complex programming or advanced graphics. It is about logic, rules, and interaction. Every game, no matter how simple or advanced, follows the same basic principles. A game always begins with a goal. The goal defines what the player is trying to achieve. It could be reaching a destination, scoring points, solving a problem, or surviving obstacles. Clear goals give players direction and purpose. The next important part is rules. Rules define what players can and cannot do. They control movement, limits, scoring, timing, and conditions. Rules create structure and fairness. Without rules, a game becomes confusing and unplayable. Games are built using game elements. These include characters, environments, obstacles, items, and rewards. Characters represent the player or opponents. Environments define where the game takes place. Obstacles challenge the player, while rewards motivate progress. These elements work together to create engagement. One of the most important concepts in game development is game logic. Game logic controls how the game reacts to player actions. For example, when a player taps a button, moves a character, or collects an item, the game must respond correctly. This logic often follows simple thinking patterns, such as if this happens, then domer dur do nassen Mike that's ein noidan. Understanding logic is more important than writing code. Player interaction is central to games. Players interact through tapping, clicking, swiping, or pressing keys. Each interaction triggers a response such as movement, sound, score changes, or visual effects. Good interaction makes games feel responsive and enjoyable. Every game also defines winning and losing conditions. Winning conditions describe how success is achieved. Losing conditions explain what causes failure. These conditions create challenge and replay value. Players stay engaged because they want to improve and succeed. Game development is not limited to entertainment. Games are used in education, training, simulations, advertising, and learning tools. Educational games help people learn faster by making information interactive. Training simulations allow users to practice real-world scenarios safely. Building games does not require starting with complex systems. Simple games teach the same foundations used in advanced ones. By starting small, learners understand structure, logic, and interaction before adding complexity. This course is designed to remove fear and confusion. It focuses on understanding how games work rather than overwhelming learners with technical details. Once you understand the foundations, you can explore tools, engines, or programming later with confidence. Game development is about thinking creatively and logically at the same time. This course gives you the foundation to understand games, build simple ones, and see how interactive systems work.